everybody, Zurifx here, and we're doing a theater old age makeup look, and I'm using Ben Nye personal kits. They are theater makeup kits. Now I'm putting foundation on and on to contouring. Then using the lightest and putting concealer on. Now I'm going to set it with some powder all over my face. Next, going to the darkest color, and I am going to fill in my natural wrinkle lines. And I'm making facial expressions so I can enhance my wrinkles. Using the smile, I can see my lines clearly. Over around the eye and on the chin. Go ahead and blend all those lines out. Using the light concealer, I'm going above all the lines that I've already created. And then going and blending it all in. Now I'm using a shadow, and I'm going over the lines once again. And then blend. The eye area, she is a lovely lady, so we're going to give her some eyeshadow on her eyes. Doing a little neck work. Adding some more lines around the mouth, and I'm going ahead and blending them out as I go. Adding powder all over the face, and since I added powder, I'm going to enhance the lines again. Adding some blush, a lot of blush, so it looks like my cheeks have been pulled to the ground like gravity. Eyeliner, and I'm going to add some age spots using black face paint. And bringing the spots down to my neck area. One more highlight with some white eyeshadow. Spray set. Some gray eyebrows. A little lipstick. And I'm all done. This is my theater makeup old lady. Zurifx. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Over and out. Bye.